Okay. Orthopedic injuries are pretty common in car crashes. Orthopedic injuries can cause issues with your nervous system and make them really super sensitive. So when you're dealing with orthopedic injuries in this kind of weather, this super cold weather, it can make your joints, your nerves even more sensitive. Atmospheric changes can cause issues with the fluids in your body, and when you're dealing with joints and the fluids that are supposed to be, lubricating those joints, if that gets affected negatively, then you can have additional problems, pain, lack of range of motion, and things like that. So you have to understand that when you have an orthopedic injury from a crash, that go to physical therapy, go to your doctor, talk to them about how to get better. Things that you can just simply do is, keep warm. Make sure that you have heating pads and things like that. Things you can do, keep warm to allow the free circulation in your body, and make sure you're moving, that you're out and about so your circulation is going and you're ready to go. You don't want to just stop moving, be in one spot, because then what do? You get sore, you get stiff, and that's bad news. Frozen shoulder, for example, those kind of things are examples of sitting too long, being in one spot for too long, maybe because it's pain or because of some kind of other issue, and then more problems occur. So orthopedic injuries in a car crash can be pretty bad, and when you layer that on top of all this cold weather, it can get even worse.